Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this free BRAINROT UGC on Roblox. You do need to like and favorite the game and invite friends, join the group, and follow Prime Perfection on Roblox. I actually don't know the obby that well. Okay. I guess he's waiting for me to... Surely. Oh my gosh. Okay. And you just need to finish the obby, well, and do the rest, like, oh my gosh, like that. I actually don't remember where to go. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I'm not going to finish the obby, so yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can skip to the end, but you do need Roblox for it. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.